In this video, we'll discuss navigation. Let's begin by going to the temporary scans folder in Project Explorer, right-click, and let's open a few scans. I will accept the default subsample level and then drag and drop that folder into the scene window. Kohera3D has three different options for navigation: native, mouse only, and AutoCAD style. So let's begin with native, which is the default. To rotate, hold down the control key on your keyboard and press and hold on the left mouse button and then begin to drag the mouse back and forth, and that will rotate. To pan, press and hold the shift key on the keyboard and again use the left mouse. Click and hold that and then drag the mouse back and forth. To zoom, you can use the wheel on your mouse or press and hold the shift and the control key on your keyboard and then click and hold the left mouse key and drag the mouse back and forth. For the second option, which is for the mouse only, to rotate, hold down the middle wheel or middle mouse button and drag your mouse back and forth. To pan, click and hold the right mouse key and drag back and forth. And for zoom, just use the middle wheel on your mouse. And the third and final option, which is AutoCAD style. To rotate, press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then click and hold the middle wheel on your mouse and drag it back and forth. For pan, just click and hold the middle mouse and drag your mouse back and forth. And to zoom, just scroll the wheel up or down to zoom in and out.